Hey, what's going on? How are you? Today I want to talk about what's the best system for affiliate marketing, the best one out there to dive into, get into. And the short answer is the one I'm using. I really honestly feel that way. However, let's dive a little bit deeper into this topic. Affiliate marketing, I really believe, is a great way for someone to make some extra income around your current schedule, your job, and I think it's a lot of fun and a blast, okay? In fact, I've always been looking, but I don't really know of a better way to do this. And sure, there's other ideas out there, like going to garage sales and buying things, right? And then trying to resell them online. That'd be kind of fun. That'd be kind of cool, depending on your area that you live in. There's social media marketing agency, which has blown up over the last couple of years. And I looked into it really heavily and I was like, that can be kind of cool. But it just seems like, and I've heard this from people, and correct me if I'm wrong, but there's a lot of fires you have to put out. There's a lot of headaches you have to deal with. And, it's very difficult to detach from that system. You have to be on. And the cool thing about affiliate marketing is you could do it for a while, then you can escape. You can just do something else. You can go live in a cave for a few months and still make money. And that's pretty awesome. That's not a lot of systems allow you to do that. And that's what really attracted me the most to affiliate marketing was the freedom. Okay, so it really does offer the most amount of freedom when it comes to a lot of other systems out there. And also with your time when you want to do it, it's so flexible. How you want to do it, there's an insane amount of freedom there as well. So that's really cool. Okay, and what's even another great thing about affiliate marketing is you don't have to deal with the customer service or shipping like you would with drop shipping, like the e-commerce stuff. But the biggest downfall I really do feel, and again, you can make a comment if you like and brainstorm. I don't really know too many big downfalls with affiliate marketing. The biggest one is I would maybe guess would be rejection. But what's funny about that is you don't have to deal with that much rejection because you're doing stuff online. Even though I love to talk to people and I still get rejected, but I love rejection, so that doesn't bother me at all. You could say just negative comments and troll comments, but the honest truth is I really like troll comments. I really do. I had this video of like, what was I saying? Something about I made some weird video about like tricking a slot machine and stuff. And I got nothing but troll comments, but they're so entertaining. So if you have a troll comment, please share because it actually does help the video. So all comments do. I appreciate them all. Um, but I don't know. It's just a really great system. I guess sometimes you don't really make as much money as you like to, and sometimes you make really good money. So I guess another negative would be the money's all over the place. But that is true. Okay. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing in the system to make money with affiliate marketing. And there's a lot of different systems out there. Okay, there's Amazon niche websites, which is the big thing long time ago, where it was like stick links directly on a website. They go to Amazon and make money from that, and then rank the website. Uh, and it's a really difficult way to make money in affiliate marketing nowadays. But it worked a long time ago, but now it's just tough. Okay, that's really a tough way of doing it. Uh, Amazon does not pay that much, and they're very strict, insanely strict. And there's a ton of work you have to create, and yeah, Google doesn't really trust new sites a lot, so it takes a while for that to get established. But that is an idea that you can do. Okay, plus, most people don't buy the first time they see something. That's really the truth. It does, people are very skeptical out there, and that's a healthy thing, okay? It really is. Skepticism is a sign of intelligence. I'm very skeptical. Now, I'm not cynical. Cynical is when you don't even look at things, you're like, I'm not going to look at it. But skeptical is healthy, and that's why with any affiliate marketing system you use, I do highly recommend a list because a list allows you to communicate with somebody and get somebody over their skepticism, which could be good for everybody. Okay. All right. Um, oh yeah, trying to build a website and rely on AdWords. That's insanely hard. That's probably the hardest way to do it. There's just not a lot of money in ads at all. You need so much traffic, and as we all know, it's getting more and more difficult because everyone's fighting for attention to get traffic. So that's very difficult. There's CPA affiliate marketing. This is where you drive traffic to another marketer, and if they do something, it's called cost per action, like join a list, fill out a survey, create a lead, you make a very, very little bit amount of money, maybe $1 if you're lucky. And obviously the person who's paying you that dollar is going to make a lot more money. Okay, that's just common sense. So it just seems like to me, and I looked at it and I was like, God, that just seems like you could do better. It just seems like you're getting kind of the you're trying to draw on the short straw on that system. Correct me if I'm wrong. If you made a lot of money in CPA affiliate marketing, please share. But I'm very, very skeptical that you can make some good money. I think you could do better. And the best system that I really think for affiliate marketing out there, especially if you're new, which is what a lot of people haven't made that much money in affiliate marketing, is just to partner with somebody who's really, really good, and you could piggyback out their success. I think that's a great, great system, especially when you could use their system, their sales funnel. But instead of making $1, you should be making a lot more. At the very, very worst, the worst, you should be making half of what that person's making. And you could even do way better than half, okay? There's systems where you can make a lot more than half. And I think that's much more fair, okay? But whatever system you use, I like the idea of having multiple products in there. Low ticket, residual income, but also it really helps. I'm a big believer in deep sales, okay? These are the high ticket items that are usually deep in that system. And the reason these are such a good idea, and I really generally feel this way, they put the numbers much more to your favor because you only have to move a few of them to make great, great money. But if you're just relying on these low ticket items, you have to sell a shitload of those. And it's if selling a product that's low ticket and high ticket, there's not much more work to selling a high ticket item, okay? Especially online. But having a mix of products, I do really think is a great idea and a great system that you could use. It's a winning strategy, okay? And lastly, you could build the sales funnel yourself, and that'd be kind of fun. But I really would encourage you to get paid as quickly as you can because it's going to help you out so much more when you have money in your pocket. It's going to help you psychologically. You're going to believe in this thing. You're not going to get a lot of pressure from the outside world going, you're wasting your time with the internet thing, man. Go get a real job, bro or girl. So it's going to help you so much way. And so so in a nutshell, I really think the best way for someone to make money online with affiliate marketing is to piggyback on somebody else's already that's successful. Their system already works. It's paint by numbers. That's the way to do it. Let's not reinvent the wheel, okay? And it's the same thing if you want to like open up a carpentry business. A good idea would be to go work for someone who really knows what they're doing with carpentry. Learn from that person because I know somebody actually does woodworking around here and he's really, really good. So if I want to do that, I would learn from him. I'd be like, hey, I work for you for free. I'll bust my butt, learn his techniques. And then when the time is right, you can save up some money for your own tools and maybe go to a different area or something, right? And then do your own carpentry thing. But try to do it on your own to start with. It just seems like it's a very more difficult way of doing it, okay? The same thing with affiliate marketing, same thing in real estate or whatever that you want to do, okay? But the cool thing about affiliate marketing is there are different people that you can learn from. There's different systems you can buy into, and that really is your choice. Okay, I'm not gonna, you know, I really believe in the person I'm learning from in my system. But if there's something that you prefer more power to you. You could do that. That's your choice. But the person I learned from, I do feel he's really, really good. He's been doing it for 20 years, which is I think is the longest that I've he's definitely an old gangster at it. I don't know anyone who's doing I don't know anyone who's been doing it longer. I do like him a lot as just as a person, as a human being, and yeah, he makes a lot of money. And what also I like about him is he's not very greedy. He does give a lot of this money back in a way, and I think that's a big plus as well. And most importantly, he knows what he's doing. So if you want to know who this person is, just click that link below, or you can just check out my website at trustthelink.com. You can trust the link. If you're wondering why I chose that name, I really like it. That's the truth. I really like that name. I just think I'm lucky I got that name. Okay, but it's called trustthelink.com. Okay. Anyways, have an awesome and very fun rest of your day. Okay. All right. Bye.